So hi guys, welcome to my channel. I was just in the middle of finishing my freaking makeup when the damn, you know how they send out those Amber Alerts, like, I know that's like really important stuff and everything, but damn, when your girl trying to film, hun, I'm not trying to get no interruptions. But anyways, Lord, and my husband calling y'all, hold on. Okay, anyways though, I'm going to be putting on the Anastasia lip gloss in Seppa. You guys know it's my favorite. I outlined my lips with the NYX Suede matte lip liner in Downtown Beauty, which is my all-time favorite. Okay. I think my husband about to hear to come pick me up, y'all. I ain't put my brows on yet. I ain't did my fucking hair. Oh my gracious. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brush. So anyways, the eyeshadow palette I use today is the Soft Glam. And you guys see the ones that I dug into is the ones that I had used today. So I used burnt orange, sienna, rose pink, sultry. So I used 4 different colors. So yeah. First time I used this color here. I love it, but it has like a lot of fallout. So yeah. Put that back up. So I just do my brows really fast. Y'all know I don't like rushing. Oh damn, I gotta find my book. Oh, there it is. I gotta find my jet brow. Oh my god, where is it? Okay, here it is. Anyways, you guys, let me do my brows quick and I'll be right back. Oh Lord, you guys, my husband just made it home. I'm trying to do my hair now. I'm using the Cantu Shea Butter for natural hair moisturizing twist and lock gel. Oh, it looks like this. It's very thick consistency. So yeah, hopefully you don't come in blabbing his mouth as usual. Probably chop my hair your ass there. Oh, damn. Can my sister get ready in peace? Then I'm just gonna put my hair up in a ponytail today. I don't feel like wearing it down because it's hot. Hopefully my makeup lasts since it is like it's like midday. So it's on my hairbrush. Oh shit, ow. My kitchen nappy. Oh. Should put some gel on my hair. I have a headache, you guys, so bad. What anyways. And I got to go pee. TMI, but I gotta go pee. So anyways, so that I did just put water in my hair and put this on there. So yeah. Like I said before, honey, thank God for good hair. So this is my, oh God, my hands are dirty as hell. I need to put a little bit of this Brow by Benefit on my brows. And I will be done so. If I can open my hands, so freaking slippery. Oh, damn. Okay, put a little bit of that. So this is almost gone. Thank God I got 2 more. I don't know, I'm not gonna put on a highlighter today. I was going to, but change my mind on that. Hope you don't come rush me, y'all. Y'all know I hate being rushed. You get on my damn nerves. Try to get these brows as snatched as I can get them because I need to go get my brows done. Hopefully I get them done tomorrow, but we shall see. I'm gonna come to you guys tomorrow with another tutorial, because tomorrow is my fat baby birthday. My little nephew, I call him a fat baby. I call him fat baby, y'all, because he was born at 10 pounds. Yes, that's why I call him my fat baby. So yeah. Wrong thing to do. I tried to use this makeup wipe to clean my freaking spoolie. Wrong thing to do. So anyways, let me go ahead and get this makeup and stuff put up, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my final look. This is the final look right here. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. I wish I would have done like the full tutorial for you guys, but I couldn't. I mean, I did, but my camera had cut off because of the amber alert had came through. But anyways, though, I will talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. So yeah, I'll just see you guys next video tomorrow. Bye, guys.